friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on Messenger. You will go here to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Messenger and you will click in this window. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we click on this sign like this to turn on your airplane mode, and then you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next.